Today we're going to answer the question, how do you size a ring? This is the ring we're going to size down. Wendy's going to go ahead and show us.
I've already measured my half size down, or half size down. We're going to check and see if it's been sized before. And it has. I'm going to mark it where the old one was at. And what I do is I go back in and I clip it just enough that I can see where I'm going to solder. I'm going to give myself an indentation there, indentation there. And then we're going to locate the saw. We're going to locate glasses. And I'm cutting on an old solder line, so we don't have a lot of extra lines. Grease up our stuff. Over the diamonds so that we can fill. Finger over the diamonds so we can fill it. We don't want diamonds to move. And we got the lines all together. Looks good. We got a nice clean look. This is flux and alcohol. It's to help keep everything from getting burnt. Light it up. Won't hurt anybody. Now we're just going to warm the ring up. We'll get some solder. And since it's two rings soldered together, we're going to give it a little extra for now. Now we're going to heat it up into the diamonds. Now it's soldered and cooling. Because we have colored stones in it, we're going to have to let it cool for a second. Because we have sapphires. Now it's soldered. And I did not put this whole ring in there because of the stones. It's still warm. And I did not put this. Checked everything, make sure everything's got a solder on it. Yes, we do. I do have to flip a little bit. We've got one. Cleaning all the extra solder out of there. Now we're supposed to go 2 and 9. We'll put our fingers over our diamonds again. We're aiming for the 9. Now we're going to just kind of get it all figured up in here. This side be a 9. Rounding out. So what we're doing is we're getting both rings to look the same, or what they originally look like. Sometimes you gotta go with a heavier sanding disc. So I went up to the higher grit paper. We're going to start our flat sand with sandpaper. Oh, actually we need a paper file. Make sure it's got no burrs on the edges. And I have multiple sandpapers, so we're just going to give it a nice good 1-2. We have marked. With each sandpaper, it gives it a nicer, cleaner sides, makes them look pretty and uniform. Tells me where my bumps and lumps are. Do is I go in and I check my stones. Maybe there it is. So now we're going to get the loop, scope out, and we're going to make sure nobody's loose. Okay, now we're going to go and get our gray ring clamp because it will get hot. And what we're going to do is take all those scratches out from the inside that we made. Okay, now we're going to go and get our gray. Now we're going to do the Picasso blue polish, which will give it a high polish on the inside.